Also, that is a cool feature. That is a cool feature. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I was actually sent a good tool that's gonna really help me, and I think it's gonna actually make a great video because there's a lot of stuff I could do with it to show you, especially because I have one car right now that's out of commission and another car that has more lights on it than a Christmas tree, but it still drives. And you guys are gonna hate it, but it's a Kia, and even though it's lighting up like the 4th of July, it has over 250,000 miles, still runs strong. So let me show you the tool. Bam, I got a badass OBDii reader. This is also a battery tester, a 2-in-1 scanner. It says it does battery test, charge test, cranking test, which my car doesn't crank very well, but that's because I put my own custom ignition in there just so I could feel baller, which you guys will see later in the video. But we're gonna open this bad boy up and look in it and see what all it comes with. Read the instructions because that's important. And yeah, we're gonna go out and give this whole thing a field test. I got a dead battery in here too. I think it might work on, I think it could work on small engines too with batteries and stuff, testing them. And the charge system on like Hondas and Briggs and stuff that needs to charge a battery. This can probably test that. We'll have to look into that further. But for now, we're gonna open it up. Good news is we don't need any fancy tools to open this or hardcore scissors. Should just pop right open. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so we got some clips for battery. I'm pretty sure this is for the battery tester. We got the instruction manual, which we'll look at in a second. And we got the actual device itself. Oh, look at this, whole bunch of stuff. Move this junk over here. And we'll take a peek. Oh boy. You know what's a bad sign when you see an Android charger? Nobody uses Android anymore. Why can't you just make it Type-C? Type-C would be where it's at. So it looks like we might have to charge this bad boy, which is fine, not a big deal. Ooh, I like the case. The case has a good grip. You can probably see the texture on it. Yeah, it's a pretty good, and it's removable too, so if you do have to do anything with it, it is removable. I like the grip. More than likely it is. I'm gonna read through this manual real quick, figure out everything, and then we're gonna get testing this bad boy out on my Kia and my Nissan. Okay, here we are at the Kia. We're gonna test this bad boy. I don't see an on switch or a charging switch. The USB thing is only for like putting it on the computer or something to perform actions on the computer. Maybe it saves data, which would be pretty cool, which we'll look at that in a second. But if there's no on switch, or the only way to turn it on is through the OBDii, I'm wondering how the hell does this battery thing work? So we're gonna connect it. Maybe this 12 volts will power this thing on. Oh, there it goes. What do you know? Hell yeah. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, no left and right, up and down only. So we're gonna enter on the battery. Battery is showing 13 volts. What is it, cranking test? Please turn ignition off. Current volts high. Please turn ignition on. So give me a second, let me turn that on. I don't know what that means. I'm not a car guy, but that's pretty cool though. You can see all that. Current voltage is 1421. Let's do a charging test. Enter. Turn headlights off and air conditioner off. Hang on, I think my heater's on. Let me check that. Okay, heater's off. Testing, here we go. Now we get to read the codes after this. That's gonna be fucking badass. Turn off all devices. Increase the RPMs for 10 seconds. Okay, you guys are gonna be out here while I do this. Now we let it idle. The charging system should be good. Voltage normal. Hell yeah. There we go, baby. Review data. This thing's pretty cool. Pretty advanced little thing. Now we're about to go plug it in. As soon as this is done, I want to see what this does. Oh yeah, I don't care about any of that. Okay. Let's go take it in the car. Okay, car's still running. As you see, my check engine light is on. And I believe last time I checked it was for an oxygen sensor. But we don't know until we plug it in. Okay, device is plugged in now. Let me try to get a good angle here. Okay. Readiness supported, readiness complete. Okay, let's try this again. Read codes. Okay, just so you guys know this, I don't know if you know this, but the P means powertrain. And I could post something up here in a second about what it means, editing Andrew, but we're gonna look it up. Yo, it says evap system vent valve stuck closed. Okay, oh, that's 1 out of 11, baby. System 2 lean at idle bank 2. O2 sensor circuit, no activity detected in bank 2. So bank 2 is bad. Crankshaft position, sensor correlation, bank 1, sensor A. Crankshaft position, bank 2. Heater control unit, circuit, low bank 2, sensor 2. System 2 lean, bank 2. O2, man, bank 2 is just straight up dead. O2 sensor circuit, no activity detected, bank 2. Bank 1, sensor A. Okay, my camshaft and my O2 sensors and my bank 2 is just shot. So, oh look, if I push the enter again, it gives me help. Faulty evaporation emission vent shut valve. The shut valve harness is open or shorted. Okay, let's try this one. What does this mean? Oh yeah, possible cause: intake air leaks, faulty front heated oxygen sensor, ignition misfiring, faulty fuel injectors. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see this one. No activity. Possible. That is a cool feature. That is a cool feature. Faulty rear heated sensor. Rear heated oxygen sensor. Okay, let's see another one. Crankshaft. Let's see what's on this. Blocked oil passage, low oil level, which I know I don't. Faulty intake or just position. So I just need to change my sensors. Let's see if this thing can erase codes. That's pretty cool though, that you can get possible fixes by just hitting it again. Oh look, O2 sensor test. Let's hit that. Oh, bank 2, baby. It says status pass. Status pass. Oh, I don't know what that did. I am readiness. Vehicle does not support that. Vehicle does not support that. Bank 2, sensor 2. I don't remember which sensor it was. That one passed. That one passed. That one passed. I don't know if that thing works. Onboard monitoring. There's a lot of cool tests on here, especially if you're a car mechanic. I think this thing would be pretty badass. Let's go. Oh wait, I wanted to erase the codes. Please turn on the ignition with the engine off. Please confirm to turn the ignition on with the engine off. Oh geez. How do I do that with this? I think I gotta wait till it clicks. I put a custom ignition in here, push to start, just so I can feel baller. Okay, as soon as it beeps, I'm trying to erase the codes again. There it goes. Now, son of a bitch, I don't know if I can do it like that. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to erase the codes on this, especially because I don't have an auxiliary feature. Well, I got my VIN right there. Hell yeah. That's pretty cool. A bunch of stuff I don't understand here. Let's see what else this is. I wish I could erase the codes. I know some you can erase while you're driving. Oh, there's a lookup feature. Oh, look at this. This is cool. So whatever, even if you didn't use the code on this, you can look it up here. So let's say you had a P, you know, whatever. That is pretty cool. How do you go to the next one though? Okay, if we got a P. Oh, and then we gotta push. That's how you go to the next numbers. So let's say you got a P, 2, 4, 2, 2. Yep, there it is. That is pretty cool. And then you just push that. So you can even, someone says, hey, I got a code. You can look up the code for them, even if you don't have access to the car. That is pretty snazzy. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it, other than I don't have a way to erase my codes because of my fancy push to start. But all in all, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so all in all, if you're a car guy, a lot of those things probably made a lot more sense to you than it did to me. Like how the cranking system works and how the oxygen sensors work. And I'm not a car guy. I'm a small engine guy. I could rebuild a Honda 690 with my eyes closed, but trying to do anything on a car, I'm dumb as rocks. So I really appreciate the company for sending me this out. I will post a link in the description to the Amazon page if you want to pick one up. They're a little bit pricey, but I'll probably link a few cheaper ones that I've tried in the past and liked. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys like this and you guys like product reviews, smash like, let me know, and hit that subscribe button, because I try to post content almost daily, whether it's shorts or long form. And yeah, have a good day.